I'm Allison Primo, Schnucks Registered Dietitian, and family dinner time can be a little chaotic, especially when you're trying to eat a little bit healthier. Today, we're going to be putting together a quick, nutritious, good-for-you dinner that's perfect for those crazy weeknights. So we'll be making our Balsamic Bruschetta chicken, one of our good-for-you dinner recipes. So grab these ingredients and meet me in the kitchen. Let's start cooking. The first thing we need to do is season our chicken. So get out your Italian seasoning. You'll use about a teaspoon per side. And then about a half a teaspoon of your garlic powder on each side. I'm going to turn our stove on so it starts getting hot. And then flip your chicken over so you can season the other side. Okay, once your pan gets hot, so add your olive oil to your pan. Give mine just a little bit of a shake so it spreads. Add your chicken in. And I can hear it's just starting to sizzle, which means that it's hot enough. So we'll want to cook these for about 10 to 15 minutes. It kind of depends on the thickness of your chicken, but we'll only want to flip it one time. So you'll just want to keep an eye on it, and you'll start to see the white part creeping up to this top side of the chicken, and that's when you'll know to flip. Or you can always just take a peek underneath it and see if it's starting to brown. We'll let that sit for just a couple minutes. So after you flip them, you can see this nice brown on the chicken, and we'll just want it to cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. Once it's cooked through, we'll top it with some mozzarella cheese. So now we'll just put one slice of mozzarella on each piece of chicken. So we'll cover that, and then while it sits for a minute, we can put together our topping for the chicken. Get your tomatoes, and we're going to chop these up. So you should have 6 Roma tomatoes, and we'll just want to dice them up. Once you get your tomatoes diced up, we'll add them into a bowl, and we're going to make almost like a caprese salad to top our chicken. So the mozzarella's on the chicken, but we've got our tomatoes here. We're going to add a half a cup of some chopped fresh basil, about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, about a teaspoon of olive oil, and about 2 tablespoons of balsamic, and then just a pinch of salt and pepper. Once you get that added to the bowl, just give it a little mix. And the great thing about this dish is it's super versatile. Once you get the chicken and the mozzarella and the tomatoes and fresh basil, it pairs really well with a lot of different sides. So you can pair it with some rice or whole wheat noodles or roasted potatoes, whatever your family likes. So our cheese is nice and melty here. And like I said, this pairs well with so many things. And one of my favorite ways to eat it is with some mixed salad greens and a little bit of fruit. Ooh, super cheesy. So you just take some of your tomato salad, place it on top of your chicken, and then drizzle with balsamic glaze. And that's it. A good-for-you dinner the whole family will love.